So guys, now in this video we're going to see how to take a screenshot. Okay, so for example, obviously I need to open the definer.com, so I'll just copy it from here and paste it over here and change the URL. And you also need to import the WebDriver. Okay, so remember that thing. If you're using some VS Code or Sublime Text or PyCharm, then you have to write the code from starting, that is to import the WebDriver, and then you have to write these things. Okay, so after that, let me just run this cell and see whether it is working. Yeah, it's working. So after that, to take a screenshot, you just need to write driver dot save screenshot. Okay, that's it. Now in the parentheses you have to paste the path where you want to save the screenshot. Okay, for example, we have this Selenium folder, right? So yeah, in this folder we are going to save the screenshot. Okay, so there is, you can see there is no file name screenshot, right? So I'm just copy the file path and paste it over here, and always remember, change all the backslashes with forward slashes, otherwise it will not work in Jupyter Notebook actually. But if you are using Sublime Text or VS Code, then I think it should work with backslashes as well. Okay, so yeah, after that we have to write the file name. Okay, so I'm just writing over here screenshot 1.png. You can write in any format, .jpg, that will be perfect, .png, you can write mainly in any format. Okay, so yeah, let's minimize the screen, and you can see we have this the browser is opened. So I'll just run this cell. You can see it returned true, that means the screenshot is saved. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, you can see we have this screenshot 1.png. You can see the time, it's 8:09, and you can see the time here, it is also 8:09. So let's open this image. Yeah, now you can see the image is now saved, right? So there is one more way to take screenshots. For example, I'll just open the courses page and I'll copy the link and paste it over here, and I need to close this one and run this cell so that it can open that particular page. Yeah, you can see it opening. Anyway, so let's write the code. Driver dot get underscore screenshot as file or as base64 or as png. You can choose whatever you want. So for example, if you want to save it as jpg, then you need to choose as file. Okay, and if you want to save it as png, you can obviously choose the last one. But if you choose the as file, you can basically save the image in any format. Okay, so I'll choose as file, and then again I'm going to paste the path. I'll copy the path from here, copy, and in here I'll write a parenthesis, and in the parenthesis we're going to paste the path. And now I'm going to change the file name with screenshot2.jpg. Okay, so you can clearly see in the folder we don't have any screenshot2.jpg, but now if I run it, you can see it also returned true, and here you have this screenshot2.jpg. okay, so if you open it, you can see this is the courses page screenshot. Okay, so in this way you can take a screenshot of a particular web page.